Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the geometry you plan to erase, select the subtool, and hide everything else so you don't accidentally modify other pieces. Once done, set a comfortable brush size and focal shift so your erasing is predictable. Use the mask brush to protect edges and delicate detail. Masking prevents accidental deletions. Make sure symmetry is off or on intentionally, because the erase action will mirror when symmetry is enabled and could double the work if unexpected. You now perform the actual erasing using volumetric brushes. Trim or clip remove large chunks cleanly, while clay tub or trim smooth retain crisp planes. Apply short, decisive strokes to control the silhouette. Blend with smooth where necessary to avoid harsh transitions. Once the shape is right, use smooth to nudge topology into place and make sure form reads well. To maintain sculpting flow, redynamesh or run Z-remesher after big deletions, so topology stays workable. You finish by restoring any lost detail and ensuring the mesh is clean. After remeshing, use Project Alt to transfer high-frequency information back onto the new topology. Make sure to check normals and fix any holes with close holes or by bridging edges. This prevents render artifacts. If something goes wrong, undo in small increments or use a morph target to recover a previous state, and then reapply masks and retouch. That troubleshooting step saves you time when edits don't behave as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.